Ken Neufeld for the 2-Minute Arts Manager. I've been doing some online comparison shopping this week, and I find that it's really an interesting exercise from an academic point of view as to how people's websites work. Some of the big box stores have great websites, but some of them don't, and it really confuses me and kind of perplexes me about the fact that people aren't really putting a lot of thought from a stakeholder perspective into their websites. And I'm wondering whether that's true about arts organizations. I took a little spin on some organizations in the last couple of days, and I find that some of them are excellent and really easy to navigate. And you're basically buying tickets, or you're making a donation, or you're trying to find out when a show is starting, and you can find that information out pretty simply. However, there are still some just unbelievably complicated websites out there where I defy anybody to buy a ticket or make a donation or even find out where the address is for finding the theater when you're trying to go to a show. It's something that I think really has to do with making assumptions about the information on your website and challenging those assumptions through your stakeholders. How many people, when they're working on their website, are bringing their stakeholders, their audiences, their donors, their funders into a meeting to say, hey, we're working on this website. Does this make sense to you? Does this seem like an easy thing for you to navigate? And I think that you would have a much better product in the end, ultimately leading to perhaps more dollars being generated online, if you decided to bring in your stakeholders into the discussion about how to design a better website. So I would really challenge everybody who's thinking about, maybe working on their website, or even if you're not thinking about working on your website, still invite some people to come in, some audience members or some members, and get them to play around with your website and tell you what they find to be confusing. I think you'll learn a lot, and I think it'll help with the design of your website in the future. So that's about it for today, and I hope you're having a good week and a great summer, and we'll see you next week. KenNeufeld310@gmail.com. See you next week. Bye-bye.